What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Roblox HTTP error has occurred, please close the client 529. So this is happening for many users when they're trying to play what you have to say. The Roblox is being tried to play and they ended up in having these kind of issue. So how we can completely fix this up? So what you need to do is, if you have to fix the issue, all we have to do is just go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click on the settings. Now from here what we need to do is just move to the time and language. Now from here navigate to the date and time. Now first of all what we need to do is, as you can see if the set the time zone automatically is turned on, we have to turn this off, and also we have to make sure the time automatically should be turned on as well. And also make sure, over here as you can see the sync now, we need to click on this one and also make sure the sync now is turned on as well. So afterwards, if you're still having the trouble, then we just need to move to the next one. Next one is all about, even after trying with this, still check with the Roblox. You can just launch the game and you can check. Still, if you're having the trouble, then just go over here. And what we need to do is just go over here in the same, to just go over here. As you can see, the time zone automatically should be turned off. Now from here, you have to select the geography and the time region according to the geography, which means I'm from India, so I have to select India. And once afterwards, you can also turn this off. And also you can just click on the change, and also you can set the time based on your requirement over here. We can have to set it manually, just set the date and time, and once afterwards go for the change. And once afterwards just make sure that you have to click on the sync now as well, and once afterwards you have to check. And afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, you can try using the VPN. If you're having the VPN, just click on the settings. Now from here navigate to the network and internet, and if you're having any VPN, just connect it and use it. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it, bye bye.